Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo F21 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap Bill button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Next, let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.